battering Manny Pacquiao.
Something sa likod, ano? But this one, they took it a step further. And now si Manny Pacquiao, makikita nyo dyan yung distinct 2.5 and trying to measure itong si Pasong Pirang. Manny Pacquiao.
Ay, binanggit sa atin si Manny Pacquiao.
Developed together with Coach Freddy Roach. Oy, mabigla, no? But Manny, nainis yata sa suntok na binigay sa kanya.
Kaya ito nagalit si Manny.
Go to his midsection itong si Pasong Pirang. Well, parang hindi makuha ni Manny pa yung distansya ng kanyang
Hindi niya mapatumba si Pasang here in this first round. He's gotta keep his wits together. Ito of Pasang. Ito si Pasang now solid, no? Because he's got both his hands up. Oh, sandali. That's a knockdown. Answer for Manny Pacquiao's aggressiveness.
Saka hindi makagalaw, oh. Nahihilos.
He's still fighting back.
Whoa! Leading with the right.
Yan yung artillery ni Manny Pacquiao.